Welcome to Mikita Gnosis. Have you ever tried matcha? Most likely you did. However, did you know that a correctly prepared matcha can significantly boost your martial arts and sports performance, as well as your mood and fatigue recovery? Without further ado, I will teach you all about it. Matcha has been used by the Japanese Buddhist priests to achieve a deeper state of concentration and meditation ever since the 12th century, when green tea was brought from China to Japan by Myon Esai. Traditionally, to add matcha into a cup, Japanese people use chashaku, a bamboo spoon, but in an average home, we will have to use a normal teaspoon. Myon Esai's philosophy went deeper than that, however. He thought that matcha, and by extension all green tea, was a perfect representation of the five elements, being earth, fire, water, wood, and metal, which represent the five major human organs. He mostly used matcha as a medical tonic. And with time, its notoriety regarding the health benefits, anti-aging, and performance-boosting properties have reached the upper classes such as the nobles and the samurai around the 14th century. There is a saying in Japan: the higher the quality of the green tea, the lower the temperature the water should be, since you can absorb more health benefits and experience higher levels of umami. This is very important, since if you want to get all the health benefits, such as boosting your immune system, being more alert, and have a quicker neuromuscular recovery, you have to keep all the elements in matcha unharmed. For the people who don't have a kettle with temperature control, heat your water until you start hearing bubbling sounds. Turn it off before it reaches 100 degrees and stops by itself. Then wait for around 4 minutes. Add a splash of water that has been heated to 80 degrees. The water for matcha should be at 80 degrees max. Higher temperatures ruin its texture and many of the naturally occurring particles that are present in it. Now we should whisk it. Traditionally, Japanese use a special wooden brush for it, called chasen. But in a survival environment, when there is no such luxury, we can go with this brush made out of energy drink can instead. The result of which is surprisingly in no way inferior than of the actual traditional brush. We should start by whisking in a circular motion, and then we should switch to a W-like motion. Whisk until the appearance of the bubbles on the surface. Keep in mind that real matcha is very strong and packs quite a punch. Then, we can either drink it right away or put it into a more presentable cup. And it's ready to drink. A delicious cup of healthy matcha is complete. Delicious. If you enjoy a softer taste, you can add a little bit of milk to it to make it a bit softer and even more delicious. In this case, I use goat's milk since it's my favorite. However, I personally don't do that very often, since milk blocks the absorption of many of the matcha's healthy elements. For the full positive effects of matcha, I would recommend you to drink it pure. Matcha is abundant in epiglycine gallate, also known as EGCG, which has been proven to greatly aid human neuromuscular recovery, for example after intense workouts, strenuous jobs, and being in stressful environments. I really recommend you to try out matcha for yourself and see how it boosts your mood and performance. So guys, see you in my next video. Remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and to never neglect knowledge. Peace out.